Mike from LA. I have very much enjoyed myself uh, for this seminar. It's been very informative. I guess the main thing I don't like about Monica Main is that she takes away all your excuses. All the excuses that you've had before to say, well, I can't do apartment buildings because they're too expensive. Well, she deals with those excuses. I'm not qualified to come with financing. She deals with that excuse. I don't know which area of the country to start at. She answers and causes you to have to face all your fears and all your excuses and basically takes them away so that you're looking at by the time you finish, you're robbed of all your excuses. You have no more excuses to not get involved with real estate, with not going into buying multi-family units. And that to me is just an awesome thing because so many of these gurus and people that I have gone to other seminars, uh, they have a lot of fluff, they have a lot of hype, but there's no real meat there. Monica comes with the facts, resources, sources that she's garnered for over the years, and just puts them right there in your lap. So you have no other excuses. So it's powerful. Definitely would encourage anyone, if you've been thinking about this, don't put it off. Put the excuses aside. Go for it.